Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Ford Fusion window. This quick and easy method can help if your automatic window functions, like the one touch up or down feature, are not working correctly. It's a common fix for minor electrical glitches after a battery change or power interruption. We'll go through the process step by step, ensuring your windows operate smoothly again in just a few moments. First, get into your Ford Fusion and make sure all the doors are securely closed. Then, insert your key and turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. If you have a push-button start, press the button once or twice without pressing the brake pedal. This powers up the vehicle's electrical system, which is essential for the window reset process. Now for the actual reset. For the affected window, press and hold the window switch down until the window is fully open. Release the switch, then immediately press and hold it down again for about 2 seconds. Next, pull and hold the window switch up until the window is completely closed. Release the switch, then immediately pull and hold it up again for approximately 2 seconds. This sequence calibrates the window's travel limits. After completing the reset sequence, test the window by briefly pressing the switch for the one-touch up and down function. The window should now move automatically without needing to hold the switch. If it doesn't work, simply repeat the entire procedure. You can apply this same method to any other power windows in your Ford Fusion that might be experiencing similar issues. Enjoy your fully functional windows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.